And you know how we do every day. Yeah, shall say about more videos of our time. And that video be all I say I can't watch them. Nah, and that video no crane Osria ye. Who's that videos ni be on one? I am not Esri Kakrania dia. By be on one, Obefa, Imu Asem na be out there too hopeful. Message na video no money idea no. Who's that videos of our time now, you know. And you say ye video na na share kekesa say timission be free. E ba cho and videos of our time video na ye ni dey. E ya hwe ye. I so say ye nyina ye. Yes. Me pa cho unim obi a oye motor rider. Ana obi otwi okada. Ka che ne say omra sesia na omehwe ni so ade. Yes. E ya dom 106.3 FM on Facebook. Now videos of our time, yeah, fashion show. One kasan so no make time and watch this video. We are driving in so you need to watch this video. Pedestrian will be on roadside keke. You need to watch this video. Yes. You be yama sisia. By can't see the new Infinix Hot 10T phone pa. You be gumu sisia. But before we roll, I was going to say Absa Business Connect series no. A basso then nyame ya adumwa. This month there no. A bass watch now Friday the 28th of May. I'm part 10. Now topic no I see behind the mask. Delivering customer experience that connects. And to join the Absa Business Connect series no. On the last Friday of every month, Biana Ede Ebrewo, our Absa Facebook page, you know, and we are at Absa Ghana. So I'll be gaining more insight from industry experts to help you keep your business thriving and alive. Now, Nyame Admoch na Evelyn Aqua, your Chief Customer Officer, Edema Absa Bank, and a bay and guest. Now, we're Gumwa, and to watch now Friday the 28th of May. 10 a.m. sharp. Do make a date. And don't forget the topic now behind the mask. Delivering customer experience that connects. The Absa Business Connect series, helping to take your business to the next level. That's Africanacity. That's Absa. When you say Asitremu, you're quite a benina and wouldn't be able to me as you watch now. And until I can cast them on pennyfo baby, I say, oh, don't now to do another jam. I am uncle for sale. It's in a deco do an a jano. No, the heading. Would you ask where Patty what what's what you qualify? And yes, I say, I've been you buno. Say that chance you deco do an a jano. No, Pacho, yes, that chance empty. And now your doctor could do another jam where cast away jam bibi one. Say in ra efu ewo could do no one. Could do see a full moon and no shut down cow plantation now, you know, but wrong. Maybe a combination I didn't know. Or then where jam wama I come and go so or chebi wako for mua o ye jumana ebiana commando ediani ye ready. Ebe do na could do now so wait me at to be ready. So what I say. Sana insurance on so etienne. Wouldn't be able to me at watch now. That is why you need to insure your business. Okano. What I say, Bibia we be a ultimate insurance ebem. And insurance company in be almost almost some kind of BBO. It took insurance as a peso, must I jai to our dream. But we make comfort Phoenix Insurance at the amount. Yes. Yeah, they are basse bebwama business, let me grow. Come on, party amount. And to also assure you that you rise again when disaster strikes. About Phoenix Insurance, you to your claims quickly. Your insurance policies need doors your fire, motor, accident, marine, engineering, and affair bonds. And they cry the amount very simple. The amount of me out to insurance policy via our short code star 389 star 79 star. And yes, our dear friend 0302 246 319 and now say 0243 60. Yeah, for last number That's 0243 690 492. Now need Phoenix Insurance Eddie Kitao. Insure with Phoenix Insurance and experience a delightful service delivered with wisdom. Facebook news is here na just roll call no na ade na ye koye ni mu a eti baby a obi a join me on Facebook at Adom 106.3 FM. Yes, on Facebook na ye fa videos of our time mention so man rent say rent to own hye no say ye adwuma Ghana hapa. The Planned City Extension Project. Yeah, Ningo Pram District Assembly and in the partners with support from the Ministry of Local Government and Rural Development and after the UN Habitat Akabomo de Brewon. So to me don't be smart where you live and trade matter. And able to me only if you are a fully serviced commercial land or space at the Adujumebia. And don't forget to join our affiliate housing cooperatives now. Apply for the special lifeline offer, which lasts up to the 31st of October 2021. You can tell the and patch phrase 055 55 30 300 after 0577 911 101 and our 055 705 4635. Website a new accra.city. The Planned City Extension Project, shaping Ghana's urban future. Videos of our time about time and also number rooms says yeah. Baso peso kasa na ummo kabibria say MTN Eddie free after one and she share number. Kasa metintin bi opebia. We are then you pay for just the first minute of your call. They are kind of there absolutely free. I enjoy 50 megabytes of data at their browser for free on top. When you just answer one patch of friend, and now you phone a dial star 550 hash. Now I subscribe to MTN free after one, then you stay connected because we're good together. Terms and conditions apply. MTN, everywhere you go. I know Shraba Akosia Manda, I see you. Yeah, lots of love, baby. And then Faustina Entry, Boisiako Jesse. I say good day, everyone. Yeah, trust me, Charles Sass Ankara. I say good afternoon, everyone. Sanso Ena Akosia Dolina. I say good afternoon. Now for your quiet, Joseph. Natty, middle name there. The Metumba many bones is many yesterday. Also say I am here some. Okay, be there some. And then King John will say good day. Aveti or Aviti Esina. I see Jerry Aquaba. You Yemiao. Catherine Boache. I say hello. Yeah, trust me, Veronica, I say good afternoon, Brad Jerry. Patrol Roko Nana on Facebook no. Unyamba mu aborum sisia. I Adom 106.3 FM. Now videos of our time and that video no enroll sisia. Benjamin Kwashi. I say hello, good afternoon, Jerry. Hope you are doing fine. Adom FM all the way. Yeah. Robert Mensa, I see you. Priscilla Boache, I see you. Sanso and Rosemont now. I said, Chairman Jerry knew I'm here. Okay, be there, me too, I'm here. You know what I'm saying? Adabla and Estina, I say good afternoon. And Sandra, I say good afternoon, Jeremiah. Watching you from Samsung's fashion away Mamo B. I fed Dorcas. I've been watching Messi. I say Jerry, help me, oh, I need help. Oh. I want to talk to you about something. So, you better share the baby. Noshi Daniel Dixon. I say good evening, Jerry. Watching you live from Somania. More fire. Emmanuel Gani. I want to say good afternoon, Jerry. Nice program. Please keep it up. Watching you live from Winneba. And I feel Rennie. Amenya. I say good afternoon, Jerry. It's been a long time. How are you doing? I'm doing good. Benjamin Yakum say I'm enjoying the show at Timpoku. Hey, at Timpoku for you now. And Nambi will quite change babies. Wonder brutal. Say, oh much party at Timpoku for the church. I wouldn't. Charlie, El Coso. Now, young pet drink being wearable. Not for young share and videos of our time. But drink now, yeah, no more. Royal drinks and no flavors be free. Your Royal Apple, Royal Cola, Royal Orange, as well as Royal Cocktail. We don't have perfect flavors now. So go on and feel the magic in your life as you enjoy Royal drinks in so many flavors. Nebo and Yeding, 2 series 50 pesos. They are available in a shop near you. We are another quality product. If Casa Preco Company Limited, an ISO certified company. Dodono. Free 0262 351 251 and our fee 0272 133 373. Royal drinks, you go like pa. All right, so yamfa entry ho na afi yamun room na yen share videos of our time. Ye de ebrewo asem na hadring atetism. But obende say hwe na yedi tu honfo me hwe video no sa afem ya me say eji e ho amantimi ahwe bi mpe na video ni si e pacho. Let us be careful. It's a say na ye ahwe papa wo yen da brabo a ye boy ni ya nam otu emu because ade kete na akofa ha kese e de abre onipa ade kete na oma onipa ahwe ne nkwa. And you see one thing is say the moment bibi besi na wo ya hwe afa enye yie biem na de besi anya si and now bisa ereka kwa obeka say esa na asa. Yes, esa na asa zaga me chawe wi esa na asa he bonwe mo Facebook sisi a na yenhwe ene video no. It's a very short video we me nche wo ho sa. A very short video. Ocha obeba na video na yi ama na si awie na ye to program so because and the videos of our time aye enso ya awie. A very short video. Na men kamu asem kakran cho na fe video no enroli. Jeko ye ready na e fa atwi mame. Video no ne say there's a track fully loaded wa fa niema agu track no so. And na oko. And you see okada fo ya say ayo munya botri. The other day na me hwe bibi on the internet. And na a research bi ankrofo bi ayi na omo demonstrate ade no practically ma ankrofo hu. There was a track, articulated track. Bibi ayi adwuma track no pepepe ne side mirrors ne ade nyina. And omo man nipa ekogina a particular point be on the track. And no ema truck driver no kotnam experienced truck driver pa o kotna articulated track no and no bisa no say okay on hwe ne mirror no mu hwa ohun we ana obisa no ne ade or say on reverse it. And then the driver watch or hwe pa hwe ne driving mirror no mu nyina he couldn't identify any of the objects and say any pana no makogina a particular position be or track na chi no. It yom we no de ma warning say